A few years ago, when a friend of mine worked in the customs service and Rustam was there, he told me that although he was poor, he had already lost his father in theft and robbery. The speed of development of Rustam Emamali can be compared with the fast and fantastic movement of Dushanbe City, Rustam's own private bank. In less than 10 years, Rustam Emamali not only became the second person in the state of Tajikistan, but with the same laser speed surpassed all the usurers of Tajikistan. And this bank of Rustam captured and occupied the banking market of the country. However, the founder of Dushanbe City, another company of Roostum, Avesta Group, absorbs everything, like a demon and a dragon. And Shamsulaf, and Feroz, and Hassan, the Orion Bank networks together with Avesta Group, give a feedback and evacuate arenas for him. Now, we will not say anything about the construction companies, about the companies that are building Rogan and providing services at the Norag gas station. At the same time, the amount of money in these companies is huge. The Asian Development Bank lent the government of Tajikistan $130 million just to install new electricity meters for residents of the capital, which it left at the disposal of Avesta Group. In conclusion, everything that moves and moves in the country is completely monopolized by Roostum and his group.